You're really about to hear one of the most exciting technologies of the 21st century that will really kind of define or redefine our built environment and create the opportunity for people to live closer to nature, closer to community. My co-founder, Boss, Cools, and I have been working on Geoship for about 7 years now. And what drove us from the beginning is that the technology, the bioceramic geodesic dome, is really a tool to build regenerative communities. So I think, like a lot of you, we've been dreaming of living in community, closer to nature, in homes that are really not just healthy and natural, but biologically resonant. Like, what are the homes of the future that humans will really inhabit? And that was kind of the beginning of how we started thinking about this, the product. So what is the most efficient combination of just materials, geometry, and method of manufacturing? We know kind of mathematically the bioceramic geodesic dome is it. And it happens to be, the flower of life, this ancient geometry in a 3D form. And the materials are literally the same chemical composition as human bone. So it's very exciting technology from just affordability, sustainability, climate resilience, and health, and just really being able to kind of live into the future. And over the last year here, we've brought on just an amazing team, some top level engineers from Tesla and Apple, who are really coming together to engineer the home as a fully integrated product.